Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to disable video autoplay in Instagram. To disable video autoplay in your Instagram, there is the only one option you can do. The option is, first of all, go through the Instagram application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select the three lines on the top right corner and then go through the setting and privacy. Now, from here, if you scroll down, there you will see media quality. Hit on that and toggle on the use less cellular data. From now, Instagram will use less cellular data and disable video autoplay in your Instagram application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.